Hello, welcome to another review for the week ended January 10th, 2020. This is the first review for the year 2020, and I will tell you that this is a good beginning for the year, for the market to have an upspring for just straight 5 days of the week, from Monday to Friday. Despite that Friday, market performance was a bit low in terms of the gaining momentum was down, and you know that day you can see that there is what we call high selling pressure for the day before the gain of Boasment move the market. Boasment and Okumu save the market from closing red that Friday. But I'll still tell you that the market was bullish for the first full trading week of the year. For market to record 9.07 for the week, it tells you that really there is demand for stock, and the buy volume for the day, for the week, was almost 94%, and the sell volume was for the week was just 6%. It tells you that really investors are really taking a position in the market. On that note, we expect that the market will equally do well going forward, as factors that are for the market are increasing on daily basis. For that, investors should take position in the right stocks. Expect that going forward, as far as the earnings season for the full year earnings season will kick off by February. Even there is correction the week we are entering, expect that those corrections also will rebound. Pullback is expected, because if the market, if you look at the daily chart, the daily chart movement, if the market maintain this speed going up without pulling back, it won't be good for the market. You can see that just in 1 week, market have broken almost 3 psychological line of 27,000, 28, and 29, because of what demand in the market. And not only in penny stock or medium cap stock, both the high cap stock, all were touched with this rally. And also, not only that, if you look at the volume that were going with the rally, it tells you that they really demand for stock at this period. For me, investors should not panic, as even Friday's signal that there's profit taking. It's expected that after straight 9 days of rally, 7 days rally for the year, we expect that profit taking will come. But the rate that the profit taking will tell you that yes, it will rebound very soon. I expect that it will rebound very soon, because after the pullback, some stocks are still selling far below their value. And if you look at the yields in the market, there are some companies that their dividend yield is still high, that people can still enter, especially the fund managers. That will keep the market in the uptrend. For me, investors should not panic at this point, but rather take advantage of this recovery to buy into stocks, especially those that have lost money in the last 2 years. This is the time for you to take position, so that you are kind of way down, and when the market rally, you can just get equilibrium, or cross it, you are already in profit, than waiting to get. Because if the market reverses any moment from now, and we are waiting until you get to the top where you enter, you might wait longer. But if you have entered earlier and around that kind of December, it will be better that by now you also be smiling to the bank, because it will have no average down, and this rally would have put you in profit. And also, for those that are attended Invest 2020 in December and December 7, I will tell you, for year to date, December to date, till last Friday 10th, the average return of the 10 golden stock is about 13.37, while the market itself has returned 9.53. You can see that the 10 golden stock is far above what the market has returned, and these are above all the returns in the money market and the fixed income for this short period. For you to make such average return of from 10 golden stock to 13, and as you speak, some stock in that 10 golden stock category made 25%, 20%, 4 made about 19%, and 2 about 18%. That tells you that those stocks are really looking up. You can still participate by taking position, because we give 150 days, which is around April. If you put in April, you can still make money in those stocks. That means if you are not in that, drag your pack and also position in those stocks and enjoy the rally as the market set to do well in 2020. And I'm not surprised that the market is going this way. It is part of what we discussed at the at Invest 2020 in December. Not only that, those that are following us on this forum know that I have given you reason why we expect the market to be better in 2020 compared to the last 2 years. If you look at what happened in 2018 and 2019, you can see that most of the factors that were against the market are obvious. Now, also factors that want to help the market in this world are becoming obvious. You can't separate the economy from the stock market, and when there is interest rate, when interest rate is low, we are bound to see that equity market will benefit from it. And in the history of Nigeria, we are seeing the lowest interest rate at this point. And also, if you go back and see the years that have low interest rate, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, you can see even 2007, 2008, it was starting another high interest rate before the market had issue global meltdown in 2020 in 2008. But the other years that are before 2008, the interest rate was low, market was bullish, markets were looking up. Just because of that, that means you can relate equity market with interest rate in the market. And CBN has tightly keep the MPR around the 13.5, and but the interest rate in terms of the banking and other monetary windows are low. And this is bound to impact positively on the economy, because when there is low interest rate, consumption increase. At the same time, expansion of business, people can borrow to expand their business. But when interest rate is high, it discourages a lot of people to go into borrowing because of high cost of fund. But now that the cost of fund is low, it will trigger investment. People would like to expand their business, and that will also create job. You see, it will oil the whole economy. I believe that going into 2020, and also don't forget that this is the first time that our budget is going to run with the fiscal year of January to December, and that alone also going to be another plus for the market. Expect that within the first quarter we'll start seeing disbursement of 2020 budget, because it has been approved, and that we expect that also put more funds into the system. I see that when there's liquidity in the equity market, prices are bound to go up. And knowing that CBN has restricted some companies, as we know earlier, from investing all this, and also the border closure also have helped the manufacturing sector and other sector to come up within this short period. Not only that, what is happening between Iraq and the US also is bound to be a blessing in this case, despite that the higher the oil price, the higher the subsidy that will pay, but that also will impact positively on the external reserve of the nation. Our reserve, that has suffered a decline for almost two months now. These are the things where I think that in means I see a better economy in 2020 and going forward. That's going to reflect on the equity prices. I've said earlier that you can't separate the equity stock market from the economy, and these are the things we are looking at going to impact the market positively. For the first trading week of the year to be so strong and so bullish, there's things that are ahead. And not only that, when this CBN policy of moving loan to deposit ratio from 17 to 60 from 60 to 65, and also it's likely that they're going to maintain it at the 65, or they even move it higher to 70 to make more funds available. But this fund that they're making available will do well if the economy sustains its recovery, because if the banks are lending and the economy fails to make progress, it will be a problem for the bank. And not only that, it will make the banks to record a high non-performing loan. But as we speak now, the banks non-performing loan has drastically dropped. It tells that most of the banks are set up in their loan management, in their risk management, which is good. And we expect that they are not just giving this loan for giving sake. They have their own risk criteria to meet before they give you loan. And if that has been done, we'll see that going forward, we'll see a better economy. And only that we need government also to do more, because the government anywhere is the highest spender, to make sure that infrastructure on ground to aid businesses. Registration is not ease of doing business. Registration is not ease of doing business. Road, electricity, these are the things business Nigeria need, not just your registration being easy for you to register online. That's not ease of doing business. A lot of things goes with the access to cheaper loan. These are the things that will make business thrive. And when business is thriving, you see employment issue will reduce. People will engage. But when there's business are not thriving, unemployment will be on the rise. Government need to do more, to spend more on infrastructure, make sure that there is no structural reform to aid this economic recovery that we are seeing now. But I expect that with what CBN and the monetary policy have done, and physical also can do their own aspect, we'll see a better economy going forward. On that note, any position you are taking now, take the right position. Look at the sector, and the sector you are looking at, you are positioning. Look at the sector. What is the nature of the service? For example, the banking sector is the engine room of any economy. That is why you can see. And not only that, they are well regulated. Any investor want to go to where that the money will not go down overnight because they are well regulated. All over the world, people want to play the big banks. That is why you can see that stock like Zenith Bank, stock like GTB, and others that investors want to play with them because they are sure that these banks have been regulated. And also, if you look at stocks that have suffered huge losses, and know that why have they survived losses? Is it as a result of the downtrend in the market, or is it because the company has performed poorly? You need to know why the company is down. If you know why they are down, that you understand, you can key in, because as the market is recovering, you're going to drive every stock up, especially those that are doing well will lead the rally, then others will follow. Those that have suffered because of the trend, not of any bad thing, are the one that will lead the trend. You can see some stock hit 52 week high within the short period of 1 week. It tells you that they are still positioned that those stocks will still go higher, because people are saying that there is the earnings of this company has improved, potential of this company to make higher returns is there. For that, you start keying, because there is something that is attracting you to an investment. You don't just jump into a stock. There is something to attract you in that stock before. But when those that attract you are not intact, are not there again, they have disappear, disengage, you will quickly sell off. But if those that are attracted you into are still intact, you hold on to the stock. And I know that going forward, despite like the candlestick here have shown us that they may likely be pulled back in the week, and then because of profit taking, don't panic, it will reverse up and continue the uptrend. For me, investors should just position. If you're already in your position, just hold on. Also, this time, don't be greedy. Know why you're in the market, and before you buy any stock, set your profit target, your sellout point. Don't just say because market is going up, you now hold a stock that you have made profit. The right time to sell, because many Nigerians know when to buy, they don't know when to sell. That is the problem in our market. People know when to buy stock. They know it's only those PFAs, those formers, they don't play with it. But every other high net worth investor, they know when to buy, but how to sell is a problem. And that's why you need to subscribe to Invest Data, buy and sell signal. There will give you the buy range, will give you the stop loss, will give you the profit target, also will give you the return, the profit target price to exit, and will give you return, even the annualized return. Like what I just said, that some stock in the 10 good stock have just given us 25% return, and if it is higher than what Treasury bill can give you for 364 days for 5.2 compared to 25. Even though this is what you have made, 25 you have made for the whole year, you are far better than person that want to put his money in Treasury bill for 364 days and be expecting to get 5%. That's why funds are moving to equity market. Like what you say, when there is low interest rate in the market, and funds are looking for where to get better return, the world called circular from moving from bond market to money market to stock market, looking for where there is higher return and where they can take calculated risk. And those that can take risk, those that don't want to take it, that are still risk averse, can also be holding on to their Treasury bill at that low price, and just to protect their capital. But I'm telling you, if you really want to make money for your company, also the fund you are managing, you need to turn it. You need to take it that you can't hold on with all those low return because you don't want to take risk. You need to take calculated risk at this point. Like what I said earlier, that in the just last week that the market broke out almost to this agricultural line of 27,000, 28 and 29, and the possibility that the market will break out this, because as you speak, the market is almost forming a double top here, but the likelihood that the market will break out this resistance here is very high. Let me just show you this resistance here. The possibility that the market will break it out is high. Then when it is done, the next one will be at this point, and that means the market is likely to break out to this. Once market break out this 32,594 resistance level, it confirm real bullish run. But if you look at the magical trend, the market has broken out from the bearish zone. The bearish zone, market is out of it for this breakout here. If you look at this trend, market is below this trend, this line that you are seeing. But now you can see that market has broken. That means market is out of the bearish zone. It tells you that market is going to continue its recovery, especially as factors for the market remain intact. For me, investors should take this opportunity and invest wisely. And those that are around Abuja and Port Harcourt will be in Abuja on the 16th of January at Chidas International Hotel to tell you how to invest in fact, wisely for 2020 opportunity that the 10 golden stock also will be reviewed because the park is already there, and the earnings that games will be you have to play this earnings game. This earnings that is coming, how can you master the game? How to play the earnings and the dividend game will be also we discuss at this coming training. Will be in Port Harcourt at Emirate Hotel by February 8th. Also to let investors know why we are doing this in this earlier, so that those outside Lagos also take advantage. If those in Lagos that attended the SEBA training, fine. People flew from all the way from Port Harcourt, Abuja, Benin, Kano, Sokoto, Abeokuta, Ibadan to Lagos just to participate, but we want to take it to their next step now, so that those that we are unable because they want to, so that they can participate and take action. Because I still believe that between now and end of February, there's still opportunity to push position, because we're expecting numbers to start in the market as from second week of February. When you start seeing those numbers, you're going to change the face of the market again, especially those that will beat market expectation and their payout are higher than expected. I'm telling you, market will look up. On that note, I also suggest that you subscribe for the buy and sell signal, so that if you're a weekly trader, it will guide you to know what to do going forward into the year, because there are potential that the market will do well. As far as the economy is expected to look up, market will also go in that trend, because you can't separate equity market from the economy. We'll draw the curtain here. Say God bless you.